Hey, what's going on, traders? Here are my top stock picks for the week. Number one is going to be SPY. What a beautiful recovery this has made over the past 5 trading days off of this sell-off low to put this right back at the all-time highs. I mean, we're not far off. So my big question this week is SPY going to make new all-time highs, or will this be the week that this rallies to the resistance and then reject? Typically, after a run like this, I would expect to see a rejection first or a run up to and then consolidation under before the break over. But who knows? We've had some exceptional days in the past few trading days, so maybe there's a chance SPY does get over that price point. Long idea above $690 if it can get there. Number 2 on my list is INTC. I like the pullback on the daily chart time frame following this kind of crazier run up. It holds the 50 EMA area as a point of support, breaks the downtrend trend line, and then we get a positive reaction to a news catalyst on INTC, which sends this up higher at the end of the week last week. So I'm just watching for follow through on INTC this week. Top side long idea above $41 if it can get there. Up next is AMD, next one on the watch list. So kind of similar with the break of the downtrend trend line and the pullback on the daily, but AMD has yet to take off. So you see that rocket candle that we got on INTC, that's kind of what I'm looking for here on AMD. The pullback hold of the $200 hold number as a point of support, the double bottom off of the gap area, and then the rally back up to this point of resistance. So you've got a break of the downtrend trend line here. You've got the 50 EMA, which is a point of resistance here, and a flat top line of resistance here. So that's 3 resistance points that, if they're broken, could signal a larger topside move for AMD. So I'm watching AMD this week above $220 basically. Can it break this resistance and run? Up next is going to be Meta. There's not a whole lot to say about this chart other than it's V-shaped reversed. This sold off on the daily, was looking really weak after the earnings report. Sold off, sold off, sold off. 4 days of consolidation and has since reversed back up to the top side. So I'm just watching for continuation from here on Meta as it's nearing the $650 hold number. Long idea above $650. Up next is Walmart, WMT. I feel like I'm the only one talking about this name because I haven't really seen it posted anywhere else. But Walmart, I noticed this bull flag shape up last week. We traded it up to the all-time high, and now it's through the all-time high. So let's watch for continued momentum here as we got a bull flag breakout on the daily following the earnings report. Obviously, this is a positive reaction to that, and this is trading at the all-time highs. Long idea above $111. Up next is Apple. This name has kind of been my nemesis name lately. Apple's just been tough for me to catch because it makes these all-time highs and then doesn't do anything afterwards, or it makes a big move like this and then doesn't really do anything afterwards. So it's kind of hard to catch Apple because it's not really a trending type of name. I feel like on most days, Apple just kind of jets around and, moves up, moves down, moves up, moves down, but overall makes direction, something like this. I'm still waiting for the larger breakout move here. Apple's doing a great job of holding the prior point of resistance as new support here. It's consolidating underneath the all-time high, but look at the volume. The volume here is just sinking as this is consolidating, which is what you want to see for a breakout move. But if we're going to get that move that we're looking for, we need to see larger volume. So hopefully we'll have that this week on Apple. If this can make new all-time highs, it's going to be a long idea for me above $280. I have one more for you, and this is kind of my least favorite setup of the week, but I feel like I should add it because it's Tesla. So remember when we got the break of INTC, the break of the downtrend trend line on INTC, and that took off. And then we looked at the one following that, AMD, right, with it being compressed. And I was saying I was looking for that takeoff I'm feeling the same way with Tesla. I'm looking for the takeoff here. It's broken the downtrend trend line. It's reclaimed the 50 EMA. It's broken this resistance. It found the double bottom support on the daily, held above the $400 whole number area, right? And we're just looking for like that larger day. We have not gotten it yet. And same thing, this volume's kind of sinking. Now, it might have to do a lot with last week being a holiday, the lower volume here. But I think it's wise for us to keep an eye on Tesla and watch for higher highs, given the breakout of this range, though there hasn't been a big breakout candle just yet. So long idea above $434 on Tesla. That's it. That's all that I have for you this week. So I hope that this analysis helps you out. If you'd like to trade live with me, come join the Discord server. I trade live every single day for the duration of a 5K account challenge, and you can start at any time with any amount. You don't need 5K in your account to start and trade with me. Again, thank you for your time. I hope the analysis helped, and I hope that you have a green week this week. And we'll see you in the Discord server. Take care. Cheers.